Yeah, well, I had enough yesterday.
That or their soda or drink or eggnog.
They're from Kim.
What nice shoes. Their feet's all the way up there too.
Yeah, right. He's not opening it to open it. He's opening it to get a piece of something in his mouth.
What they doing? Talking about you? Huh? Are they talking about you?
That's all right.
I'm gonna be eating.
Come on. You don't want to eat that? No, he's not interested in the paper. Look, I don't even like it.
What is that?
Huh?
I'm gonna stick you right in there.
And scoot
Yes,
all
we
around.
are. I'm gonna stick you right in there.
You'll be able to scoot all around. What you got there? You're gonna have a mouthful of hair.
You didn't even look.
I got most of it. Tell Pop, get it out. Get it going.
Tell Pop thank you. Come on in, thank you.
We want to see you scoot around. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Almost.
He's watching everything.
Hi.
What they got? What they got?
That's a nice shirt.
I had it a couple of years. Dad wore it for Christmas. And I only dug
You're
it
all
out.
dressed up and Pop's in his new pajamas.
One, two,
Is that all?
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going now? No biting me. No biting me.
These are the ones that go on the back. There's the little peg.
That's it by Trump. Is that him?
It was like higher and lower, or no? Is this the size?
I think it just, that's it.
Okay.
You should take him into the kitchen. He can't go anywhere.
He's not gonna go anywhere anyways for a while.
You might.
No, he can with Kim.
All right.
Once he starts moving his feet.
Height.
Huh?
What?
Flipping upside down to access their change on your head seat.
Oh,
You can adjust the height of it.
the seat.
It's like perfect though.
Probably this.
Or yet.
Under his butt.
Well, let's see how you do first, and then we'll adjust it. Here you go, Aaron.
Lift him over there.
Come over
I think he's got, yeah, he's got enough. Feet sticking out.
Where are you gonna go, buddy?
Start moving his feet.
There he goes.
Oh
It's
yeah.
like his legs are.
I bet you if he didn't have stiff jeans on, he could.
Yeah. That's what I think it is.
As much as he moves his feet, though, he will. He won't take him out.
There you go.
Here he goes. He's like, I like this rubbery
He likes
thing.
that thing.
We don't drop it all over the floor.
He crashed into the chair.
What you got? What you got?
Definitely likes new things. You don't want certain things.
Come here.
Really?
Come here.
As soon as that ham comes to eat.
guess is adjust that strap.